Have you ever been working on a project and you needed a character of some sort as a narrator to speak to your viewers? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an animation from scratch for free.
Today, Santa Claus is a global symbol of Christmas, representing generosity, kindness, and the joy of giving. Though his appearance and backstory have evolved from various influences over centuries, the heart of Santa's origin lies in the story of Saint Nicholas, whose acts of compassion and secret gift-giving inspired one of the most beloved holiday traditions around the world.
As you can see, we're inside the app that created that adorable talking deer video that you just watched. This is an Adobe tool. This is Adobe Express. This is their audio to animation tool, completely free to use. Yes, you heard me right. It's free. You can see right here, completely free. And you can see I'm not even logged in. So I'm going to show you how to work your way through this app and how to create one of these animations for yourself. So for now, let's open it up and see how to use this software. I'm going to click on Start Now. Once I'm inside here, you'll see there are several things you can do. Remember, I'm not signed in. Let's look at some of these characters. They have all different kinds. You can look at the new ones, at the people, young people, professionals. So they really have added quite a few characters, creatures, animals, and more. I think I'll stick with animals. And I'm going to choose this one here. Let's make it a little bigger. We have a choice of transparent background. You can add background scenes if you want to. For the time being, I'm just going to keep it transparent, that way I can put it wherever I want to on my video. You can also choose the size depending on whether you're working with Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, whatever. I'm going to choose a landscape style. Now I've got all that chosen, so let's add a recording I've already made, and I'm going to add it here. I'll upload it based on Santa Claus for a video I'm working on for kids. So it's uploading. I'm going to freeze this for just a minute while it's working. Well, I did not know that downloads are not available for videos with a transparent background. So, let's go back and add a background. Alright, let's see if that'll work. Let's preview it now that I've added the background. I've already uploaded my recording, so now it's getting the preview together for us. Okay, so it's finishing up, so let's click on it and see what we've got. Alright, now we could make changes to it if we want to. If we want to do that, we can click right here. Or if you're happy with it as is, you can click here and download it. But I want to show you a little more. If you click here, it's going to ask you to sign up for free account, so you can download your video. So, let's do that real quick. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Now, you can see I'm inside the Adobe Express software, so you can see what you can do. There's media you can add, if you want to add text, if you want to add some elements. There's a lot of other things you can do. If I wanted to add text, I can look through here and see what they offer. Maybe we like that one. Okay, you can resize it. If you click on it, you can change or delete things. We can also change the colors. Maybe you want to make it brighter or bigger. Maybe put it at an angle. So there's a lot of things you can do in here to make your mini video even more unique. Once you're finished, then you can download it. And you've got your choices of how you want to go. I'm going to stick with MP4, just like the settings are. If you wanted to share, you could. Now it's downloading. Okay, and that's how simple it is. Remember, this is all completely free. So, if there is something you need to do for a class, a presentation, for work, or maybe even something for your family, this might be a fun way to animate a character that is completely unique and an entirely different way of doing it. Lastly, I did want to show you that if you wanted to record your own voice narration, that you can. Imagine you want to talk to your child, or your kids in your class, or the people you work with. You can record your voice right here. So, you'll use the same basic setup as before. You choose your character, your background, the size, and then instead of uploading a recording like I did before, you can actually record yourself talking here. Use the enhanced speech option in case you have ceiling fans or air conditioner sounds or other noises in your home. Click to record your own voice. This makes your video even more unique. I will put the link to this in the description area below, so go try it yourself and have fun. It is another great tool to know about, and it'll be fun to use. Have fun testing it out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.